Hi, this is a new series of dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Hi, let's go through this week's portfolio. The entire portfolio it's now having a profit of 8.28 percentage, including the dividend. Last week, the portfolio had a return of 0.26%. There was no dividends earned. Let's go to the activity for the last week. There was no buy, only the deposit happened last week. Thursday, $11 deposit was done. However, I could not do the trading. And Friday, I deposited $25. So this Monday, coming Monday, we'll have $36 of trading happened on JP. So there is not much update here. Let's check the JP. The average share price is 54.55 and JP increased to 55.4. Hence, last month you could see the earned dividends is 5.19 and last week the portfolio return is 0.58. QALD this month the dividend they increased to 0.17301 and the payment date is on May 2nd. So that will automatically increase our dividend per month. JP yet to declare the dividend. Costco also increased their dividend from zero point 0.9 for the last quarter to 1.02. The payment date is 5/19, May 19th. Let's see the financial independent age progression month-wise. So now it's 339. At that age, I would be financially independent. Let's see the dividend increase. So we started with 0.99. Now it is 12.59 per month. Let's go through the milestones achieved so far.